So how do we use the Enneagram as a map to understand how to move from the unwanted saboteur patterns to move into the more favorable sage qualities? First, I'd like to briefly mention that all of the Enneagram perspectives are equally important and equally valuable. It's like all of the Enneagram types are like characters sitting at a round table, and each has equal representation. There's no leader. There's none that's better than another. The sage qualities of all of these 9 Enneagram types are equally important and equally valuable. So how do we know how to move from Saboteur to Sage using the map? Well, we'll notice that each Enneagram type has 2 lines coming off of it. One of these lines is the line of release. That means releasing oneself from saboteur patterns. And then the other line is called the line of stretch. And that's another line that we can move along to access even more sage qualities. So I'll use Enneagram type 1 as an example. If we're looking at Enneagram type 1 on the map, Enneagram type 1 has the saboteur patterns of the stickler. One can release themselves from those saboteur patterns and move to the sage qualities of another Enneagram type 7. And the line of release, well, it may be a little difficult at first. There may be some resistance to break out of old patterns, but that line of release usually feels good. Now, once one has taken on the sage qualities of this other Enneagram type, then it's easier to move along the line of stretch to access even more sage quality types of another, Enneagram type. So the line of stretch is exactly that. It's usually a little bit more of a stretch. So it's important to move along the line of release first, and then the line of stretch. And we can see that every Enneagram type on the map has a line of release. And every Enneagram type on the map has a line of stretch.